video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how you can create a successful Nigerian bank account from the comfort of your home using this one code I'm about to share with you. You all know how stressful it is for you to go and fill, or to go and open a Nigerian bank account in this time of the economy. They will stress you out. So I've come up with a code that you can use to open a working Nigerian bank account that you can, open from the comfort of your home without visiting a bank. All right, now all you need to have is just your BVN beside you. All right, so let me go and share with you this code that you can use to open a verified bank account with this code. All right, now first thing first, you have to open your dialer. Go ahead and dial this code star 898 hash, star 898 hash. Now when you dial the code, they are going to ask you to open bank account with BVN. All right, so all you need to do is to click on number 1 and you click send. Now when you click send, they're going to ask you for your BVN. All right, so all you need to do is to put in your BVN here. It's very simple, step by step way that I'm going to teach you, and I'm teaching you how to open this bank account. So you go ahead here and input your bank verification number. All right, so after inputting your bank account, you go ahead and click on send. So when you click on send, they are going to bring you to this place. All you need to do is to put in your first name. All right, put in your first name, you click on send. Then they are going to ask you of your last name. After putting in your last name, you click on send. Now this is where they will take you to after filling those information with them. They will say enter date of birth in the formats like this. All right, so you go ahead and put in your date of birth with the format that I've given to you, the day, the month, and the year. All right, so you go ahead and input it. You're going to put, if for example, if it is August 10, you're going to put August, then slash the month, slash the year. So for example, so this is how you are going to put the date format. All right, so you put 10, then 08, then 2025. All right, for example, if this is your date of birth, you put it like this. All right, so once you are done, you click on send. So when you're done putting in your date of birth and everything, they will bring you to this place. So you have to click on number 1 to proceed. So make sure when you're filling this your information, you have to be fast, because if you're not fast, you will start all over again and again, because anything that makes you delay Otilo, you start all over again. Then make sure the name that you are giving them, as you can see just now, they are saying SP services time out. Do you see? So you have to be very fast while dealing with them. All right, so they've already sent me a message. All right, so let me just go and then open the message and share with you guys. All right, so now as you can see, they said, dear Selekere, we are pleased to inform you that your account has been opened. Your account number is the 001 this one. Please visit the nearest branch to activate. So do you see? So my account number has been opened successfully. All right, so the name of the bank is called TAJ Bank. All right, so this is just a very simple way for us to open a workable and a working Nigerian bank account. You can receive money to this bank account. All right, so make sure when you're filling your details, make sure everything is accurate. The first name is according to the first name in your BVN verification number, and the last name as well. The last name, you can put your son name, because I put my son name, you understand. So this is basically how to create a working Nigerian bank account, okay, from the comfort of your house. So you can just go to the bank and activate it instead of going to the bank to start the whole process of opening bank account, filling forms, standing in the line, and the rest of the things. So you just create the account like this. Just then, all you need to do is just to go to the bank and just activate it. It's as simple as that. All right. So if you know this bank, just let us know at the comment section, or if this is your first time of hearing or seeing this bank, let us know in the comment section as well. Hope this video was helpful. If this video was helpful, give this video a thumbs up so that YouTube pushes out to as many people that need to see this video so that they'll be able to, create a working Nigerian bank account from the comfort of their house, so that they will not waste their time to go to the bank to start the whole process. All right. So, and also subscribe to my channel for more codes to do things online. All right. So thank you guys for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye. Let me share with you people how I successfully transferred money to my new bank account that I just opened, guys. So here I was dialing the name of the bank and it opened for me, and I was so happy, super happy, guys. So I just thought of sharing this with you, although I've already ended the video. I was like, let me just come and share it with you people how I transferred money, just to test run it, to tell you guys that this thing is really, really working, guys. So this was how I transferred money to my new bank account from my PalmPay to my account that I just newly opened, guys. As you can see, it was a success, transfer successful to my bank account, guys. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you try this out.